Students, now we will do exercise 3, word problem number 3, page number 41. For the school gala, a group of students made 10 whole 3 upon 4 liters of lemonade. At the end of the program, they had 1 whole 1 upon 4 liters left over. How many liters of lemonade were used? Okay, this word problem is about um, liters of lemonade made and liters of lemonade used and liters of lemonade left over and liters of lemonade used. Okay, given. In the given, we will write that liters of lemonade made. From the question, we know that the students of a school in a school gala, they made 10 whole 3 upon 4 liters of lemonade. Liters of lemonade made equals 10 whole 3 upon 4. It means that 10 full 10 liters and 3 upon 4 liters mean that if you have 1 liter and if you divide 1 liter into 4 parts, out of 4 parts they used 3 parts. 10 full liters and next from the 11th liter they have if they divide 1 liter into 4 parts out of 3 parts, 10 whole 3 upon 4 gives this sense. Now liters left over, they sold the liters of lemonade and at the end of the gala leftover liters was 1 whole 1 upon 4 liters. 1 liter is left and 1 upon 4 means that if you have 1 liter and if you divide that 1 liter into 4 parts, out of 4 parts, only 1 part is left over. 1 whole 1 upon 4 liters gives this sense. Required. Students, mostly the last sentence of the word problem is are required. How many liters of lemonade were used? Okay, required is liters used. Okay, in all the word problems, you have to decide that which operation you have to use in that word problems. In that word problem, you know that there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And in the word problem, mostly you can find a clue word which help you to decide that which operation you have to use. And in this question, the key word is, what is the key word? Um, Leftover. I have got the keyword leftover. This is a clue word and it is giving us a clue that we have to use which operation? Subtraction. Okay, because the lemonade made by the students is 10 liters and 3 upon 4 liters, and they the left they at the end of the program the left is 1 whole 1 by 4 liters, and how many liters were used? So we need to subtract here according to this given situation which is created in this word problem. We need to subtract in this question and the clue word is left. Okay, now we will subtract um, 1 whole 1 upon 4 from 10 whole 3 upon 4. Okay, these are the mixed fractions. These 10 whole 3 upon 4 and 1 whole 1 upon 4. The name of these fractions are mixed number or a whole number fractions. A whole number fraction is consisted of 2 parts. A whole part, like in this fraction 10 whole 3 upon 4, 10 is a whole part, means 10 liters. 1 whole 1 upon 4, the whole part for a natural number is 1 means 1 liter, full 1 liters. This is a whole number part. And in the next step, we will subtract a whole number from a whole number. We'll subtract 1 liters from 10 liters. It will give us 9 liters. And we will subtract the fractional parts in the parentheses. And then we will add the, when we will, at the answer stage, we will add the whole number part and the answer of the fractional part. But in this step, we have to add the fractional parts. We have to, subtract the fractional parts. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. We have to subtract 1 by 4 from 3 by 4. Okay, first, before subtraction of any fraction, we have to ask some questions from ourselves. And that one of those questions is, are these like fractions? Yes, these are like fractions because their denominators are same. Then we can easily subtract the numerators, because when the denominators are same, we can subtract the numerators. Here we don't need to make the denominators same. Just we will subtract the numerators because the denominators are same. Now 3 minus 2 gives us 2, and 4 is denominator which is common. We will write it only one time. 4 is same, we will write it only one time. Now 2 upon 4 means out of 4, 2 parts. Now we will change it in the next step. We will change it into lowest term so that to get a sense that how many liters. Out of 4, 2 parts means half. Out of 4, 2 parts means half. That is 1 by 2. But mathematically, we um, will do like this. We will change 2 by 4 into its lowest term. The lowest term of 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is understandable, meaningful. It has a meaning. 1 by 2 means half. Out of 2, 1 part. Uh, if you divide 1 liters into 2 parts, out of 2 parts, 1 part is the used. The liters of lemonade used is out of 2, 1 part is. If you have 1 liter and if you divide 1 liter into 2 parts, out of 2 he used, they used, the lemonade used is 1 part is used. Out of 2, 1 part gives us the sense that half liter. Okay, because you divided 1 liter into 2 parts and the liter used is out of 2, 1 part is used. It means half liters is used. Now I was explaining you this, that 2 by 4 I have changed it into lowest term, which gives us a sense, a meaning. Now how we will change a fraction into lowest term? We will change it in 2 by 4 into lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. Now 2 divided by 2 gives us 1 and 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. This method is called changing a fraction into lowest term. Some students ask that why we change a fraction into lowest term. The answer is that when we change a fraction into lowest term, it gives us a meaning. It becomes understandable. Now, okay, 9 liters plus half liters. It means the lemonade used is 9 liters and 1 by 2 liters means 9.5 liters is used.